For number 8 on classwork 6-4, we're going to be factoring using a variety of methods. The first method, we're going to look for the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor in 4x cubed plus 28x squared minus 64x minus 448 would be 4. If we divide each term in the polynomial by 4, we get x cubed plus 7x squared minus 16x minus 112. Our next step is to factor by grouping. We still have 4 on the outside. However, on the inside, we now have x squared is our greatest common factor in the first two, leaving us with x plus 7. In our second, 16 is the greatest common factor, leaving us with x plus 7 as well. So our factor by grouping is 4 x squared minus 16 times x plus 7. Our last step, we have the difference of two squares, so x squared minus 16. So now we're going to use our difference of squares, which is 4 times x minus 4, x plus 4, and then x plus 7. So our complete answer is 4 x minus 4, x plus 4, and x plus 7. Okay, let's do a couple more like this. If we had 4x cubed plus 12x squared minus 64x minus 192, first we would do our greatest common factor, which is 4. Divide each term in the polynomial by 4, gives us x cubed plus 3x squared minus 16x minus 48. Next, we're going to factor by grouping, which gives us 4. Then we have x squared times x plus 3 minus 16 times x plus 3. Then we are going to put our new factor, so x squared minus 16 and x plus 3. Lastly, we do the difference of two squares, which gives us 4x minus 4 and x plus 4, which is our factors for x squared minus 16, and then x plus 3. So our final answer for the factors of this polynomial is 4 times x minus 4 times x plus 4 times x plus 3. Notice we have 3 factors, and this is a degree 3 polynomial. Let's do one more example. 3x cubed plus 24x squared minus 147x minus 1176. The greatest common factor in this one, so first our greatest common factor comes out, is 3. Dividing 3 into each of the terms of the polynomial leaves us with x cubed plus 8x squared minus 49x minus 392. Next, we factor by grouping, which gives us 3. And then we have x squared times x plus 8 minus 49 times x plus 8. So we factor by grouping, we get 3 x squared minus 49 times x plus 8 Because x squared minus 49 is the difference of two squares, we're going to use the difference of squares to get 3 x minus 7, x plus 7, and x plus 8. Okay, just a reminder, the difference of squares is when you have a squared minus b squared. Your factors are a minus b and a plus b. Okay, so our final answer for this one is 3 times x minus 7, x plus 7, and x plus 8.